Yo. That's drippy. Anyways, that's not what I'm here for. Really. So let me just turn this around. Let me just take off my shoes. This big boy. It's really blurry. But if you could see closely, you will see a velociraptor right here. You will see a velociraptor. Just kidding. This is a Jurassic World Dominion. This is a Jurassic World Dominion Lego set. Lego set. And this is a very blurry. I'm probably gonna get a iPhone to record this. Anyways. So we have the Giganotosaurus, Alan Grant, Ellie Sattler, Owen Grady, Claire Deering, Katie Waltz, Kayla Waltz, I'm pretty sure they're actual, and Dr. Henry Wu. And as you can see here, this thing has mostly everything that was inside of the real thing. Like the outpost, that thing, the lab, I think, a car, Dr. Henry Wu running, and a helicopter. No, and let's not forget to know that if you don't know why there is a little stripe on it, well, that's because it was my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday, and this was one of my presents. And my birthday party. Anyways, I'll make more around today. Well, anyways. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's inside. Team 1, let's do a cool swap there. So, man, here is all the bags. The box has fell down. Anyways, let's see how big one thing is. Okay, so this is... Let's go side down. Have you ever just tried to see if the actual size thing is actually real? Anyways, okay, so I just got a low storage warning. So I'm gonna do this quickly. And let's build, but first we gotta build it. So to save your time, I'm gonna time lapse this and then time lapse me a video of it again with Capca and stuff. And let's do this. Okay, so future self here. I have just finished building my entire set, and it looks fabulous. Like, I did even have some missing pieces, which is why I did the 1 second. This is why I used Lego's missing pieces thing, missing pieces thing, where like you could have, well, basically you could like use your set number, and also set like a thing to find your piece. The one thing, something that you could really do to just make it a lot look more, better, is to just add like, let's say, green pieces and stuff everywhere. I just added this piece right here, but I'm pretty sure it was supposed to go right here, right? Yeah, right there. Yeah, this looks so cool. And it's even better on how much detail they added into this. They also have oh my god. They also have they also have stickers as well, which is very annoying. But anyways, I'm going to make a little set thing with this. 1 second. So finally, after some time, I have finally finished my entire set. We have so right now, so basically what is happening is that basically everything's breaking down. The Giganotosaurus is attacking. So if we look at everything in good detail, okay, so Dr. Wu's expression not being so great. He can't even change the expression, and he's just grabbing his coffee. She was going to her helicopter, but then the Giganotosaurus showed up, so she's starting to hide right there. So she is hiding right there. And right over here is where Dr. Ellie Sattler is right now grabbing, getting the DPW and stuff like that, the authorities. Right here, Claire has fallen off. Well, this is because this broke. This falling off. Owen is right now going to save Claire, and all the time. Anyways, there's this little tranquilizer, antivenom on the table, and and this guy, and the Giganotosaurus, who actually his head is basically I'm pretty sure it's basically just the Indominus Rex's head, but just different colored and a few details these spikes. Is right now roaring. Everybody must love this thing. That with just two, because all you gotta do is just add one thing to make that a skull. Make that look more like a skull. Anyways, they're just admiring this. They're I'm trying to realize why people don't even touch expensive, Legos. They just admire what they have created. Put them in a little thing, and then just put a base plate under it, and put it up high on a shelf or something, and admire it. That's all they do. Which I don't blame them. Honestly. Anyways, I should probably move this before my cousin comes. Yeah, my literal cousin that keeps breaking all my Legos. I'm gonna show you something. So just to say, before when I was little, I started playing with my Legos, and this was the first time I've ever actually put my Legos on display. This is what is left of it. I put it here. Just try to remember. Every birth has it even worse. Actually, no, that's just the worst. Just to remind me that every birth's happiness is just turned to sadness. It's just turned to sadness when it dies, to death, most of the time. Anyways, I hope you like this video that I have made. This is my first Lego unboxing video, and I hope you will enjoy it, because this was actually my birthday present, which I really like. I think I've told you that before. But you know what? This is like one day after. I'm pretty sure this is like one day after. And besides, last video I've taken was like around. This thing was more than like many hours before. Anyways, I hope you like this. I really hope you like everything that I've added and also everything that was in the instructions. And if you want me to make like a stop motion of this, please tell me in the comments down below, and I will see. Because, and also please tell me if I do anything that like is like offensive to people. But I hope you like this video, and so please subscribe to help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. So anyways, please subscribe, ring the bell, notifications, and I'll see you next time.